Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily export timesheets from Deputy to Xero. So, just head over to Xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, in a new tab, also head over to Deputy.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in Deputy, head over and click on Timesheets, then click on Export Timesheets. So from here, start from selecting the location or the business in which you want to export the timesheet from, and also select the date range for the timesheet. And here, select the specific timesheet that you want to export. Then, once done, just head over and click on Export Selected Items. So from here, we're just going to select the application that we want to export this timesheet to, and we're just going to search for Xero. And here, choose if you want to export this on Xero Contractor Invoice, Xero Payroll, or Xero Time Billing. And from here, you're going to need to connect Deputy to Xero. Just click on Connect to Xero. A window will then pop up, and all you have to do is grant access permissions by clicking on Allow Access. So Deputy and Xero is now connected, and from here, just customize settings such as invoice to, markup percentage, and item if there's a specific item, and tax code. You can also hide employee names in invoice line description. Then once done, just click on export. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!